Let's fix the rusting. Let's paint over the discoloration. You're doing really great. You're doing really great. Keep up the good work. Filling. Drop side truck. Press the pump. Amazing. Arrange the furniture and equipment. The construction is complete. What a great pool you've built! Filling. Destroyer. Pump. Hooray! Let's destroy dilapidated constructions. Let's wash. Destroyer. You're doing really great. We did it! Now we need to fill it. Garbage truck, pump. Ready. Let's remove trash. Let's remove the rusting. Let's paint over the discoloration. Keep it up. Bulldozer. Filling. Bulldozer. Press the pump. Hooray! We will prepare the site and dig a pit. Let's get rid of the machine's rust. Let's paint over the discoloration. Done! You're doing really great. We need to assemble. Dampar. Hooray! Now we need to fill it. Dampar. Press the pump. Keep up the good work. Make a gravel pad in waterproofing. Let's remove the rusting. Let's paint over the discoloration. Keep it up. We did it! First, we need to assemble. Pipe layer. Keep up the good work. Filling. Pipe layer. Pump. Done! Let's put in reinforcements and communications. We need to wash. Pipe layer. We did it! First, we need to assemble. Concrete pump. The good work. Now we need to fill it. Concrete pump. Don't stop. Pour concrete for a foundation. Let's wash. concrete pump. We did it! We need to assemble. Drop side truck. Amazing! Now we need to fill it. Drop side truck. Press the pump. Keep up the good work. Let's build the first floor. Let's get rid of the machine's rust. Let's paint over the discolorations. Don't stop. You're doing really great. We have to assemble. Drop side truck. Amazing! First we have to fill it. Drop side press the pump. You're doing really great. Let's build the second floor. Now we need to wash it clean. Drop side truck. You're doing really great. We need to assemble. Lift crane. First we have to fill it. Lift pump. Keep up the good work. We will make a roof. Let's get rid of the machine's rust. Let's paint over the discoloration. Amazing! Hooray! We need to assemble. Drop side truck. Ready. Filling. Drop side truck pump. Hooray! Hooray! Install the doors and windows. We need to wash. Drop side truck. You're doing really great. We need to assemble. Drop side truck. Don't stop. First, we have to fill it. Drop side truck. Pump. Keep it up. Weatherproof walls. Now we need to wash it clean. Drop side truck. To assemble. Bucket lift. Done. Filling. Bucket lift. Pump. Ready. Paint our house. Let's remove the rusting. Let's paint over the discoloration. Hooray! We did it! We need to assemble. Mini loader. Now we need to fill it. Mini loader. Press the pump. Ready. Prepare the yard. Let's fix the rusting. Let's paint over the discoloration. Hooray! You're doing really great. We need to assemble. Drop side truck. You're doing really great. Filling. Drop side truck. Press the pump. Keep up the good work. plant greenery and flowers. The wonderful house with the garage is complete. Way to go!